So we're here in Cloughjordan for the Irish Youth Circus Gathering in person, and it's great to be back after 2 years of having different styles of online gatherings and tours. And we've been welcoming 44 young people to Cloughjordan from circus projects from all over Ireland, including this year Cork Circus Factory for the first time, and Dublin Circus Project, Galway Community Circus, In Your Space Circus, who've travelled from Northern Ireland, as have Circusful from Belfast.
Really inspiring. I actually love it. I've never been here before, so it's my first time. Yeah, it's really lovely just to see accumulation of all of Ireland coming into one place and having the youth having their own autonomy to kind of decide what they want to do in terms of activities, and then having a really focused time for that hour and a half in that activity, which is kind of unusual in terms of classes. We usually kind of mix lots of activities together, but they can really focus their time and make their own decisions. And I think there's huge progression then when you have that possibility. Yeah.
Well, circus is a fantastic art form, but also an amazing tool for youth work and for young people. It's all about learning new things, having fun, trying things, and then sharing what you've learned with each other. And so it really seems, if young people all over the country are enjoying that experience together, that to bring them together, to meet and to share those skills. So it's really nice seeing them all enjoying each other's company and sharing circus.
We've got a range of facilitators. We've got some who've been doing this for a very long time, and I'm talking 20 years plus. We also have some facilitators who are very new to this. They're maybe an intern with their particular circus organisation. So this is a great opportunity for them to learn, to observe other trainers, to see how they work, not just how they break down the skill and teach it, but how they communicate with young people. It's so important. So they will get a huge amount out of this. We never stop learning. There's always something that we'll take away from every, whether it's a festival, whether it's an exchange program like this, there's always a little nugget of gold that we will take away. In some cases more than one nugget, and we get the opportunity then to share that with the groups that we maybe work with on a more regular basis in our own hometowns with our organisations. But most importantly, it's about young people developing their social skills, making friends and connections, some of which will last for years to come. We do know from the very first gathering, we have young people in Cloughjordan still connecting with young people from Belfast and Derry, and going up there on an annual basis to meet up with them and say hello.
So I've been lucky enough that Joe contacted me to bring over a performer that doesn't normally have the chance to come over to Cloughjordan, and I hope to bring some specialised kind of performing acts that I'm going to do in the cabaret tonight. It's also nice to kind of show the young people what potentially their skills can lead into. It's nice to be part of the kind of the community, to have a chance to show that what circus is happening, because Joe's done a lot of energy and kind of put this whole thing together, and we've just been very lucky to bring me over.
It's really fun. Just like meeting new people who can do lots of tricks, and like all the workshops are very interesting and the coaches are nice. It's been fun. Tiring but fun.
I guess it's just a really welcoming sort of place. I definitely come back, yeah. It's been cool to meet people from different circuses and their experiences with them, and also I'm learning a lot, and I feel like if I were to do it again I'd learn even more. I'd just be progressing my skills.